Chicago's Department of Housing mission is to expand access and choice for residents and protect their right to quality homes that are affordable, safe, and healthy. After market research, it is evident that Chicagoans on the South and West Side concur with that mission, as well as desire a city where neighborhoods are thriving and people are empowered in spite of their circumstances. To accomplish the dual goal of building the capacity of local community developers and rehabilitating distressed homes, the City of Chicago's Department of Housing engaged the Chicago Community Loan Fund in 2017 to administer the Chicago Rebuild program. Key partnerships with Chicago Community Land Bank and Chicago Investment Corporation have led to the program's success and its citywide expansion. Meet some of our amazing developers committed to rebuilding Chicago's communities and meticulously developing high-quality homes for new owners.
Hi, my name is Takesha Baker of Baker Development. My husband and I own Baker Development, which is a company that does renovations for under-distressed properties, primarily based on community development. We're doing this project here on the south side of Chicago, which is right now under construction. We're really excited about it. We're excited about the fact that we're coming in, we're gutting it out, we're renovating a property that has been vacant for several years. We typically take properties that are under distress that other developers don't want to take, and we come in, we fix it up, we get it right, and we get a homeowner in.
What's up, y'all? This is Keon Medlock from Medlock Construction. We over here in Chatham at one of my development properties. We took everything out, we installed everything new, from the sewer to the plumbing to the electrical to even the steel beams. So I'm changing foundation, I'm making additions, you know, I'm going above and beyond.
I'm LeVar Love with Rosie Investment Corporation, neighborhood rebuild community developer, and we're here on the 70th block of Green at one of our beautification projects. So this is an amazing block that we're spending a lot of time on because we're trying to introduce what we call a super block concept. It's a situation where we're coming onto the block and having an impact not just from a beautification standpoint, but also raising the property values and creating wealth for the homeowners that are on this block. And the city is doing an amazing job to support us with resources.
What we try to do at the land bank is that we really try to save those properties, because when we have good developers like you who can rehab and make them into something beautiful, we're saying, wait a minute, there's worth it. We don't have to necessarily demolish them.
We also have minority construction companies like JLJ Construction here with us today, doing a lot of the work and working with our workforce development team.
This is Maurice Newman, and I am with EN5 Community Development. I am at one of my locations on the south side of Chicago, and unfortunately we are unable to get in due to safety precautions. We are in the rawest stages of redeveloping this 2-unit. CCLF has graciously afforded me the opportunity to do what is my passion, which is develop in underserved communities.
Chicago Rebuild's expansion allow partnerships with many more local developers to continue the good work of rebuilding distressed homes and neighborhoods throughout Chicago's communities. Another key component of the Chicago Rebuild program is to create opportunities to train and hire at-risk community residents through workforce development. Partnerships with city programs, Clean Slate, and One City United not only allows for at-risk individuals to earn a livable wage, but further support the mission of clean and safe neighborhoods throughout the south and west sides of Chicago. One City United even offers opportunities for at-risk individuals to learn carpentry. Our partnership with the Firehouse Community Arts Center provides a diverse employment opportunity through their culinary arts program. At-risk individuals are trained to prepare food as chefs, though they are working to satisfy orders. Meals are also prepared for community residents who are in need. Meals are prepared, packed, then delivered to community residents daily. Through our workforce development partnerships, Chicago Rebuild was able to recruit a collective of 1,285 at-risk individuals and establish employment opportunities for 692 at-risk individuals from both the south and west side committed to building themselves and the community. Chicago Rebuild is not only about equipping local developers to rebuild distressed homes or employment opportunities for at-risk individuals, but also to engage in relevant relationships with city officials that would lead to supportive ways to help keep properties safe and secure.
I'm extending our hand for partnership to help contribute to make these communities safer for everybody in it.
It's also a way to improve the overall stigma with police and resident interaction by working together to complete community service projects. It is clear that to improve our communities, we must work together, support each other, and increase our respect for all residents and properties therein. With Chicago Rebuild being at the center, it will continue to help ensure developers are resourced to capacity and Chicago residents feel the support from the city in their neighborhoods. Continuing the vision of building people and building communities,